Yes, students, in earlier session, we had discussed regarding about different types of blood groups in humans. So, ABO blood group system. Who proposed ABO blood group system, students?
Karl Landsteiner.
Karl Landsteiner proposed ABO blood group system, right? Based on what?
Based on
Presence
antigens
or
and
absence of
presented in
antigen
blood.
and
Presence
antibodies.
or absence of antigens and antibodies.
Presence and absence of antigens and antibodies. So, how many types of antigens are present, students?
Two types,
Two
sir.
types, sir. A
Two
and B.
types.
And what is the location of antigens?
Surface of RBC.
Sir, in the
Surface
surface of
of
the
RBC.
RBC.
What's the location of antibodies?
On the blood plasma, sir.
In the
Blood
blood
plasma, sir.
plasma.
Right. So in earlier session we discussed regarding about antigens and antibodies. Based on the presence and absence of antigens and antibodies, four types of blood groups are determined. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. Okay, students. So A blood group has what type of antigen, students?
A.
Blood group A.
Antigen A.
A antigen.
Blood group A and A antigen, right? Blood group B,
B antigen.
B antigen, sir.
B antigen. Which blood group do not have any type of antigens on surface of
AB, sir. AB.
AB, sir.
Which blood group do not have any type of
O,
antigen?
sir.
O, sir.
O, sir.
Which blood group consists with antibody A and antibody B in their blood plasma?
O.
O, sir.
Blood group O.
O has. So now, blood group compatibility. Blood group compatibility means blood group matching. When blood group matching is required, the blood group determination test, the blood group compatibility test is required at the time of blood transfusion. In case of emergencies, the person receives blood from the donors. So receiver and donor blood group should be matched. Otherwise, the blood is going to be clot. The person is going to be died. Fatal conditions are takes place. So how blood group compatibility? So blood group compatibility also based on the antigens and antibodies presented in on the RBC in the region of blood plasma only. So donor blood group and receiver blood group. So here donor blood group write down. Donor A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group. And the receiver blood groups write down. The receiver
DONOR, no, sir, donor.
A, B, AB, and O. Donor blood groups and receiver blood groups. So donor blood groups A, B, AB, and O, and receiver A, B, AB, and O. In this, so which blood groups are going to be compatible? Which one is match? So donor is A and receiver is A. Donor A, receiver A. Yes. A blood group persons receive blood from A blood group. Possible. And donor A, receiver is B. Not possible. Mismatch. Mismatch of blood group. Donor A and receiver B. Mismatch. And donor A, receiver is AB. Yes. Donor A, receiver AB. Yes, possible. And donor A, receiver O. Not possible. Mismatch. And donor B and receiver A. Mismatch. Incompatible. And donor A, receiver B. Yes. Donor B, receiver AB. Yes. Donor B, receiver O. Mismatch. Incompatible. Donor is is A. Incompatible. Mismatch. Donor is AB, receiver B. Mismatch. Donor AB, receiver AB. Yes. And donor AB, receiver O. Mismatch. And O can donate blood to all the blood groups. O to A, yes. O to B, yes. O to AB, yes. O to O, yes. These are the blood group compatibility chart. According to this, the blood group compatibility is required between both the donors and the receivers. In these groups, in the receivers groups, two groups. In the receiver, one group is special. In the donor, one group is special. Which group, students? Have you identified two special groups in this?
Receiver AB, donor.
AB and O.
AB and O, sir.
Receiver AB and donors are O are the special. Why special? O can donate their blood to all the another groups. O can donate their blood to all the other groups. Go to A possible, go to B possible, go to AB possible, and go to O also possible. Is it clear? Right. So why AB is special in receiver?
It can receive blood from any blood group person.
AB can receive blood from all the blood groups. A can receive from AB can receive from A, AB can receive from B, and receive from AB and O also. Understood that? So that only the AB blood group is called universal donor or receiver.
Receive.
Universal receiver. So which blood group is called universal donor, students? O blood group are called universal donors. So who are universal donors? O blood group persons are universal donors. And who are universal receivers? AB blood group persons are universal receivers. When blood group compatibility is required, blood group compatibility between donors and receivers before the blood transfusion or after the blood transfusion is required, students?
Before.
Before.
Before the blood transfusion only the blood group compatibility is required. So AB blood group persons are universal receivers because of AB blood group persons. The bracket side of AB blood group persons can receive blood from all the others group. So why O universal donor? O can donate their blood. O can donate their blood. Donate their blood to what?
All blood group.
All other groups. So that only O is called universal donor, AB is called universal receivers. Is it clear, students? Until this clear, all of you?
Clear.
Right. So these blood groups based on what, students? Based on presence of antigen
It's an
A,
absence of antigens and antibodies.
antigen A and antigen B only. Now, along with antigen A and antigen B, there is another antigen also presented or absent on the surface of RBC. That is antigen D. That antigen is antigen D. Antigen D. So based on presence and absence of antigen D on the surface of RBC, there is another type of blood group is determined, that is called RH factor. RH factor. RH factor means RH factor is not other blood group, but in the A blood group only, in the O blood group only, in the B blood group only, AB blood group only, some of the persons are consist with antigen D and some of the persons do not have antigen D on the surface of RBC. So write about here antigen D based on presence or absence of antigen D. What is determined? RH factor determination. RH factor is going to be determined. For example, A blood group persons, B blood group persons, AB blood group persons, O blood group persons. So here antigen D is present. And here I know antigen D is absent. In case antigen D is present, those people are called RH positive. RH positive means what, student? The positive symbols indicates the presence of antigen D. Next, antigen D is absent. Antigen D is
RH negative.
RH negative. The negative symbol indicates they don't have antigen D. Is it clear until this? Now, in A blood group persons, have which antigen, students, on surface of RBC?
B.
Antigen A.
Antigen A, sir.
Along with antigen A, they have antigen D also on the surface of RBC. So that persons are called RH positive. RH positive means A positive. That persons is A group only. A positive persons. A positive means what, students? A positive means A antigen also presented, along with that antigen D also presented. Those people are considered as A positive. And A blood group, but they don't have antigen D. That persons are called A negative. A positive, A negative. As like that. B, as like that what? B
positive.
B positive.
B positive and
B negative.
AB positive and next one AB negative. Next O positive and O negative. So that only, just you should remember here, antigen D means RH factor is not other blood group. So blood groups are four only: A, B, AB and O. Whether they are RH positive or RH negative, you need to identify. So in case A blood group persons consist with the antigen D along with antigen A, that persons are A positive persons. So what about A negative? That A negative persons, those persons have only antigen A only presented on surface of RBC. Antigen D is absent. Then A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. Is it clear, students? So this is called RH factor antigen D. First, why it is called RH? RH means first identify in a rhesus monkey. In rhesus monkey, first identify. RH factor is first identified. So that only it is based on the name of RH. RH means rhesus monkey. The RH factor antigen D is first identified. So that only it is called RH. So A positive means RH factor is presented, means antigen D is presented. A negative, antigen D is absent. Is it clear until this? Yes, students, is it clear all of you?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Now, In earlier we discussed it, before this, group compatibility chart we discussed. One group to another group, right? In that, at the time of blood transfusion, blood group determination is required. First point. Second point, RH compatibility also required. Because of all RH groups do not are able to donate their blood to all RH groups, and all RH group unable to receive blood from all RH groups. Both also require blood group compatibility also required, RH group compatibility also required. So how RH group compatibility is there? So in that point, RH positive persons, listen carefully, RH positive persons receives blood from RH positive also and RH negative also. RH positive persons receive blood from RH positive, RH negative also. Receive means what? Match. They can receive any type of blood, but matching. In what case matching? RH positive persons are able to receive blood from RH positive also, RH negative also. So there is clumping is not occurs. So compatibility is there, complete matching. And what about R? These are what? These are donors and these are receivers. RH positive is receiver. So what about RH negative person? RH negative person is receiver. RH negative person is receiver. RH negative persons is able to receive from only RH negative. RH negative only. Only RH negative only. The RH negative persons able to receive blood from only RH negative. Only RH negative means what? In case RH positive persons are able to donate to RH negative, then what happens? Clumping is takes place. Mismatching is takes place. Are you understanding now? Is it clear, students?
Clear.
This one, the RH negative is donor here and RH negative also receiver. Is it clear now? Right. Now tell me, what is universal donor? Which group is universal receiver? By the comparison of
AB minus.
O minus what?
O
AB
positive
minus.
is the universal
O
donor,
positive universal donor, sir.
O positive.
Universal
and
donor.
AB is the universal recipient.
O negative is universal donor.
Very good. O negative is universal donor. Why O negative is universal donor? O negative persons can able to donate their blood to A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative. So
Yes.
that only O negative is universal donors. Is it clear, students? Now, which
AB
one
positive.
is the task?
AB positive, universal.
Positive,
AB
AB positive.
universal recipient.
Yes, receiver.
Universal recipient.
Positives are universal receivers because AB positive can receive from A positive, B positive, O positive. Along with that, A negative, B negative, AB negative, and O negative also. So that AB positive persons are universal receivers and O
O
negative
negative are universal donor.
Is it clear until this?
Clear.
Right. One question, write down, students. Write one question. Receiver is receiver blood group O positive and donor blood group O negative. Receiver is O positive, donor is O negative. Blood group is going to be compatible. Matching is takes place or mismatch?
Sir, matches.
Matches.
Matches. Matches or incompatible, students? Compatible or incompatible?
Compatible, sir.
Compatible, sir.
How? Because receiver is
So
what?
both O positive and O negative are universal donor, right, sir?
And donor is what, students? O negative. O positive persons can receive blood from O negative. So that only compare. Yes, somebody asking now.
Sir, O positive and O negative, both are the universal donor, right, sir? Or is it only O negative?
O positive, how it is universal donor? For example, write one more question right. One more question right. Person met with an accident. A person met with an accident. His blood group is AB.
So can you repeat from first?
A person met with an accident. A person met with an accident. His blood group is AB negative. AB negative. Which blood groups can donate their blood? Which blood groups can donate their blood?
O negative and AB negative, sir.
O negative and AB negative, sir.
Which blood group means all the probabilities you need to write down.
A negative, B negative, AB negative, O
A
negative.
negative, B negative, AB negative, O negative.
B negative, AB negative, O negative.
Why O positive not came here?
Sir,
Because
because
positive
T
can
is absent.
go
Negative,
to negative person.
Can receive from only negative. Now you understood, Anisha?
Sir?
Now you understood. Is it clear? You only ask it down.
No, sir. Priyanka Tiwari.
No, sir, me, sir.
Is it clear, Priyanka, now?
Yes, sir.
Right, go.
Got it.
One more question, write down. One more question. Receiver do not have both antibodies in blood plasma, in his blood plasma. Only antigen D, not only antigen D is presented. Antigen D is presented on surface of RBC. Antigen D is presented on surface of RBC. So write compatible blood groups.
O positive and O negative.
O positive and O
O
negative, sir.
positive and O negative.
Write compatible blood groups. Compatible blood groups means he is the donor. Whatever we discussed in description, that person is donor. That person is able to donate their blood to which blood groups? That is the question.
Sir, only AB positive.
B positive, AB positive.
AB positive.
A positive, B positive, AB positive.
And
O positive.
very good. The given description, in the question given description, which blood group, students?
O positive.
O positive. Why O positive? Because of that person do not have any type of
Antigens.
antigens on the surface of RBC, right? So antigens on the surface of RBC absent means what, student? Obviously O blood group, and only antigen D only presented, means O positive persons. O positive is the donors. So who are the receivers? O positive can donate their blood to A positive,
B positive.
AB positive, O positive. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So for objective point of view also most important, just you should practice the problems based on this questions, based on this concept, right? The next one. So based on RH group incompatibility, RH group mismatching, so one disorder is going to be found in the fetus, developing fetus in the mother's uterus. So that disorder is called erythroblastosis. Erythroblastosis fetalis. Erythroblastosis fetalis. Erythroblastosis fetalis disorder is based on what? Based on RH incompatibility. RH factor incompatibility. Incompatibility. RH factor. RH factor incompatibility. Incompatibility between what? In what cases the fetus attains erythroblastosis fetalis condition? In only one case. The case is, that scenario is RH positive father married with RH negative mother. After marriage only they are getting the father and mother. Okay, so RH positive male with RH negative female. In this case only, there is a chances for fetus attains the erythroblastosis fetalis. So what is the reason? In this case, RH positive always dominates on RH negative. RH positive blood, RH positive group always dominate on RH negative. So one RH positive is dominant, RH negative is recessive. So which one is always expressive? Always expressive RH positive. In whom expressive? In children's. Father blood group is RH positive, mother blood group is RH negative. So the children's, in case they have 1 children or 2 children, 3 children, 10 children, 20 also, RH positive only. All the children are with RH positive only. What is the reason? The reason is RH positive is the dominant. Is it clear, students? RH positive means what? Any blood group. A positive, B positive, or AB positive, O positive. Blood group is not required here. RH only plays a major. Clear, students? So write that point. In what case erythroblastosis fetalis? In mismatching of, in the case of RH positive father, RH negative mother. Right? So RH positive is dominant. RH positive is dominant, and RH negative is recessive. So all the chains are probabilities RH positive only. All the chains probability is RH positive only.
Sir, all the children, no, sir.
Children, all the children, all the progenies, probabilities, either 1 or 2, how many are also? Only RH positive. What is the reason? The reason is RH positive is dominant. Is it clear? In what case erythroblastosis fetalis is this case only? Why in this case only we are discussing? Because of RH positive father, RH negative mother. What about child RH factor? RH positive or RH negative, students?
Positive.
Positive.
RH positive. The child is Rh positive. Child is Rh positive. Now compare with Rh between mother and child. Child is Rh positive, mother is Rh negative. So here mismatching takes place between child and mother's Rh. Mismatching takes place. Is it clear, students? So incompatibility between what, students? Incompatibility between child Rh factor and mother Rh factor. Child has consist with the antigen D on the surface of RBC. Mother do not have. Right? So the incompatibility between child and mother's Rh factor. So that only in this case only the child means fetus retains erythroblastosis fetalis. So what happens actually? See, whenever at the time of first pregnancy, two scenarios we should consider here. First pregnancy. So are you aware about the developing of the fetus? Where the developing of the fetus takes place? In the uterus of mother. In mother's womb, the complete embryonic developing of the fetus takes place. So from the developing fetus and the uterus of the mother, between them there is a connection. The connection between mother's womb and the developing fetus is called
Umbilical cord.
umbilical cord. Through umbilical cord, that is placenta. So fetus receives all the nutrients and gases and all from the mother's body, and mother's body receives all the excretory materials from the fetus, developing fetus. In this case, whenever at the time of formation of placenta and umbilical cord, the blood is going to be exchanged between mother and fetus. So here what happens? Once mother's body receives blood from fetus at the time of embryonic development, mother receives blood from fetus at the time of embryonic development. What happens in the mother's body? Mother's body, which type of Rh factors are there, students? Rh positive or Rh negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Rh negative.
Negative.
And child blood group is Rh positive.
Positive.
So mother's body receives Rh positive blood from the fetus. So the right point embryonic development. So that is Rh negative mother's body receives Rh positive blood from fetus at the time of when? At the time of delivery. At the time of delivery, the mother's body receives blood from fetus. Whenever mother's body receives blood from the fetus, because of mismatching of both blood groups, what happens, students? The mother's body has Rh negative. Because of Rh negative mother's body is going to start developing antibodies against Rh positive. Are you understanding or not? In mother's body, what is there? Rh negative is there. Once Rh negative receives Rh positive, then what happens? Against Rh positive, antibody production takes place by mother immune system is think that the mother immune system is decided that the Rh positive is the foreign material, it is antigen. So that only against Rh positive, antibody production takes place in the mother's body. Okay, next point right now. In mother's body, antibody production takes place. Antibody production takes place. Against what, students?
Against the
RH
fetus blood.
positive blood.
Against Rh negative, Rh positive. Now, once antibodies are going to be produced in the mothers, there is a chance to harmful conditions or fatal conditions occurs to the fetus. But the production of antibodies, it will take time. Before that only the delivery takes place. We already discussed first delivery. Before production of antibodies only, the delivery takes place, so that first child is safe. Okay, so that point mentioned here. Before production of antibodies, baby delivery occurs. Takes place. So first child is safe or not? Obviously, the first child is
Safe.
safe. So this is the major important part you need to remember. In erythroblastosis fetalis, first child is safe always. What is the reason? Because for production of antibodies immediately not takes place. Within fraction of seconds not takes place. It will take time. But before production of antibodies only, first delivery takes place. So nothing happens to first child. So first pregnancy, first child is safe. But what about subsequent pregnancies? Second, third, fourth, or whatever subsequent pregnancy, the child will attain the disorder of erythroblastosis fetalis. Is it clear, students, until this?
Clear, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
This occurs in Rh incompatibility only. Rh incompatibility in what cases? Only one case. Only one case you need to remember. What are they? Rh positive father, Rh negative mother. Father Rh positive, mother Rh negative. In this case, all the children's Rh factors are Rh positive only, because Rh positive is the dominant. So mismatching of what? Incompatibility of mother's blood group and child blood. Mother's blood group is Rh negative, all the childs are Rh positive only. In this case only erythroblastosis fetalis is going to be occurs. For which pregnancy? For which child? From the second delivery onwards, second child onwards. First child is safe. What is the reason? The reason is, whenever once mother's body receives blood from the fetus at the embryonic development, at the time of the delivery of the baby, the mother's body is going to be produce antibodies against Rh positive, because in the mother's body Rh negative is there. So the before production of antibodies in the mother's body, what happens? The first child delivery occurs, so that first child is safe. So what about subsequent pregnancy? What happens?
What about mother?
Right, let me finish few points after that reasons. So in subsequent pregnancies, what happens? In the subsequent pregnancies, that is first scenario we discussed for first pregnancy only. Subsequent pregnancies, what happens? In subsequent pregnancy, already mother's body develops antibody against Rh positive. So in subsequent pregnancy, again blood transfer takes place from fetus to mother's body. But whenever mother's body receives Rh positive factors from the fetus, what happens in subsequent pregnancy? Within fraction of second, immediate production of antibodies takes place in subsequent pregnancy. So that is our immunity system capacity. So our immunity system, first time any type of antigen enters, it will take time. It takes time for production of antibodies. But same antigen enters second time, immediately the immediate spontaneous production of antibodies takes place. Here also same thing. In the subsequent pregnancy, again in second, for example, take it second delivery, mother's body receives Rh positive from fetus, then immediate production of antibodies, immediate production of antibodies takes place. Immediate production of antibodies takes place before delivery or after delivery? Before delivery only. Before delivery only, the immediate antibody production takes place in the mother's body. So what happens? Next, the fetus once fetus receives antibodies from mother, the fetus RBC is destroys by antibodies of
Mother's
the fetal RBC is going to be destroyed. Fetal RBC is destroyed by antibodies of mother. So antibodies of mother, whatever the antibodies of the mother is going to be destroys the fetal RBC. So in fetus, the number of RBC is going to be decreases. The count of RBC is decreases. This causes jaundice also and severe anemia also. Severe anemia is nothing but the number of RBC is going to be decreases, and it leads to condition of fatal cases also takes place. Which one fatal? Which one death cases? Fetus or mother? Fetus. Because of in fetus all the RBC is going to be distracted by the antibodies of the mother. So in this case, jaundice and severe anemia are also takes place. The number of RBCs decreases and fatal cases also occurs. So for which pregnancies fatal cases occurs? First or subsequent in the erythroblastosis fetalis? Subsequent. That point you need to remember. In the name only, erythroblastosis, erythrocytes. Erythrocytes means what, students?
RBC.
RBC.
Erythrocytes means RBC, blastosis. So lysis takes place, destroying this takes place. Fetalis. Fetalis is nothing but fetus. The fetus RBC is distracted. The fetus RBC is going to be damaged. The condition is called erythroblastosis fetalis. So in the subsequent pregnancy, what is happening, students? In the subsequent pregnancies, so again in the second delivery, mother's body receives Rh from the fetus. Again, in the second delivery also, the mother's body receives Rh positive from the fetus. Always fetus is Rh positive only because R is Rh positive. In this case, what happens? In first pregnancy, production of antibody is late. Until that, delivery is occurs. But in this pregnancy, subsequent pregnancy, second, third, fourth pregnancies, what happens? Immediate production of antibodies takes place in the mother's body. Those antibodies produces in the mother's body, those antibodies transfers to the fetus through the placenta and umbilical cord. That antibodies destroys the fetal RBC, so that condition is causes severe jaundice and anemia also. So in case fatal conditions also occurs to the fetus. So for this, what is the solution, students? Is there any controlling is possible in this condition? Yes, students?
Taking baby out immediately. Sir, sometime before.
Sir, injecting the injection of some injection will come, no, sir. Erythrob.
Very good, right. Doctors know at the first pregnancy, in case nobody can match RH groups and all at the time of marriages, they will match only horoscopes and all, right? So, first pregnancy, they already know that there is a chances for erythroblastosis fetalis for second pregnancy. Who knows? Not parents. It should be by the doctors, identified by the doctors. So what they will do at the first pregnancy only, they will give the injections to whom? Fetus or mother?
Mother.
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 Injection. Which injection? Antibody injections to be induced to the mother's body. Is it clear? So write that point. So at first delivery, antibodies injections are induced to mother's body. Induces to the mother's body. Whenever antibody injections are induced, then what happens? Further,
Mother does not produces.
further there is no production of antibodies or takes place, and memory cells are also not presented in the mother's body, so that the subsequent pregnancies are safe. The subsequent child deliveries are safe. In case antibodies are not induces, there is chances for erythroblastosis fetalis. Is it clear?
After injecting this injection, then the mother's body won't produce antibodies, sir.
Obviously, one produces antibodies. Whenever
Sir,
antibodies is not there, then obviously there's no problem for chain.
Sir,
Because
for mother,
antibodies
if
are
no antibodies are present, if no antibodies are produced, then for mother, nothing will happen, sir.
nothing will happen. So that only 80% chances. Chances are 75% to 80% chances erythroblastosis fetalis.
Sir, if giving antibodies is less means, so second time also it will happen, no, sir. It means
Antibodies? Yes, yes. Antibodies?
sir, if giving antibodies is less means, so second time fetus will die, no, sir.
Yes, obviously. Why? Because of in case minimum antibodies also produces, then chances for death. Death condition is occur.
Sir, that the blood will exchange, no, sir. At what time, sir?
Which will?
Sir, fetus and mother. Sir, blood exchange between fetus and mother, sir. At what time, sir?
Slow man, not understanding. Your voice is not clear. Yes.
Sir, blood exchange between fetus and mother at what time, sir?
Blood test.
Sir,
Blood
exchange.
Blood exchange. Blood exchange at the time of delivery.
Sir, means before sometimes only, no, sir.
Blood exchange takes place always, not sometimes, always. Between fetus and mother, blood exchange takes place always at the time of delivery.
Sir, in that 9 months period of time, the exchanges take place means antibodies will be produced before only, no, sir.
9 months period not takes place at the time of delivery only. So that only we discussed at the time of delivery. Not in 9 months period. In 9 months period means first pregnancy also occurs. First pregnancy also erythroblastosis fetalis. At the time of delivery only, chances for transferring. Is it clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I
Thank you,
feel
sir.
that if
Yes,
the
sir, clear.
mothers don't have a strong immune system, then it would lead to the death of the first child itself, no, sir?
Pramara, shall you repeat again? Mothers?
Sir, I feel that in first case, if mother
Ah.
don't have a strong or the perfect immune system, then it would lead to the death of the first baby itself.
Yes, obvious. First baby itself, no, not possible, because of immediate antibody production is not takes place. It will take time. Before that only delivery occurs, so that first baby is safe always.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. If it is weak immune system or if it is strong immune system, it does not.
Nothing. Here, no consideration of weak or strong. Only for production of antibodies, it take time, obviously. That is called primary immune response.
So then mother don't have a strong immune system, then it would lead to the death of the mother itself. Because production of the antibodies takes...
Yes. Mother itself, yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, antibodies injection will be given by doctor, no, sir?
But it is not called erythroblastosis fetalis. If mother is weak immune system, means not only by these chances, always she will get it any type of the diseases.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
doctor will give antibodies, no, sir? She will not die.
She will
Sir, doctor will give antibodies, no, sir? She will not die.
antibody. See, whenever weak immune system means not only this region, any type of the reasons they are going to be conditions. Immune system is less means obviously they will get losses. Life, death case also takes place. Right, students? So you
Sir.
need to remember, erythroblastosis fetalis means only fetus are going to be chances for erythroblastosis fetalis, not for mothers. Okay, in case mother is going to be weak immune system means, so it is not considered as erythroblastosis fetalis. Fetalis means fetus. That is for
Only fetus.
Sir, due to this, mother can get also harm, no, sir? Or
Due to-
both also? But only fetus get harm or mothers also get harm, sir, from this erythroblastosis fetalis.
nothing. So that only fetus only affected. Fetalis means fetus only affected. Is it clear,
Okay,
student?
sir.
So what
Yes, sir.
significance of RH plus and RH minus? Sir, is there any special or something else?
What, Pramara?
Sir, is there any particular significance between the RH plus and RH minus?
Significance. What you understood then till now concept? RH plus antigen D is present, at RH minus antigen D is absent.
That's all. sir.
You are asking importance.
Yes, sir.
Importance means RH positive persons are able to receive from both also. That is not importance.
Yes, sir.
Blood group matching, blood transfusion, the people are able to receive from both. That is only significance. And RH positive persons are more, 80% RH positive persons.
Yes, sir.
Sir, then it is unlucky to be RH negative, sir.
Not unlikely. What happens? Nothing. If it is
But
RH
does
positive,
RH factor have any impact on the immune system?
nothing. No.
Yes.
No impact.
Yes. Sir, but that's why negative blood is rare. Negative blood is rare. Negative RH.
20%. In total 100% of population, 80% are RH
Positive.
positive persons only. Yes.
Sir, in future it will decrease, no, sir?
What, Puneet?
Sir, in future it may decrease.
Maybe, we don't know.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, students, time over actually, right? Remaining we'll discuss in next class. Thank you very much.
Sir, bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.